Hey, how are you guys doing? This is I Am Christian here, aka Sleep Money Profit, and today I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can make a MetaTrader 4 account using Hugosway. What is actually going on is Hugosway is the broker, and MetaTrader 4 is simply going to be the platform that you're using to trade. The actual exchanging of currencies is something that the broker is going to do for you, so it's easier for you to place a trade, whether it's a buy or sell on TradingView. On MetaTrader 4. I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how you can create an account on Hugosway so you can start trading today. So the first thing you want to do is go to the Hugosway website. I am on the mobile version of the website. The PC version of the browser should be somewhat the same, but for the mobile, it's already going to be on the screen. Whether you press open live account or sign up, it doesn't matter. I'm going to press sign up because I know it's on the PC version. Now, once you sign up, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to type in your name, Sleep Money Profit. You want to type your email address, Sleep Money. You want to type in the password, just create a password. And you want to make sure that you check the two boxes. You don't have to receive newsletters, but I recommend it, honestly. And you just sign up. Alright, so what they're going to do is they're going to send you an email, and then once you confirm the email, they give you the account. Alright, so once you fully log in, it's going to bring you to a screen like this, and what you want to find is My Accounts. And you want to make sure that you actually enable the two-way authenticator, and here's how you do it. So tap the three bars on the top left, and then go to KYC verification. Once you go to KYC verification, what it's going to do, it's going to ask you to upload your ID, proof of address, and once you get it approved, you'll be able to take trades. What you want to do is go to My Accounts, and you're getting ready to create an account. What you want to do is you want to look for account type. You want to look for account type, and you want to choose Hugosway MT4 ECN. Now, if you want to create a demo account, you could go to Hugosway MT4 demo. I would recommend creating both, especially if you're a new trader. I would actually start on demo. And then you want to select your currency. The first currency should be the currency that you're actually going to fund the trading account with. And whatever currency that you mainly use in your country, that's the one that you want to choose. And then your account leverage, you could choose any of them. 500 gives you the most leverage, and 50 gives you the lowest leverage. If you're new, I would stick to 50, but I personally put mine on 500. And then you create an account. Now, once you create an account, it'll say account successfully created. Please check your email for your credentials. If you want to understand more about trading, finances, or education on exactly how you can improve your mindset, spirituality, or even your health and your finances, go ahead and join my free Telegram group. I'm going to go ahead and put the link down here. And if you want to be a part of my private mentorship group, you can either email me at this email right here, or you can actually go ahead and claim a free one-on-one session with me in the link in the description, and you'll be able to go ahead and get the advice that you need. Once you go to your email, you'll see an email that looks like this. You'll say Hugosway, new MetaTrader 4 account created. You're successfully registered. And once you open it, what you're going to find is an email that looks like this. Hey Christian, you're successfully registered for your MetaTrader live account with Hugosway Ltd, and you are now only moments away from experiencing the exciting world of online FX. Your username and trader password as below will give you access to the live account in your MetaTrader 4 application of choice. Kindly note, in order to start trading, you need to transfer funds from your Hugosway Ltd wallet into this MetaTrader account simply by making an internal transfer from wallet to MetaTrader 4. I actually have a video showing you exactly how you can fund your trading account. If you don't know where to find it, link will be in the description. Your MetaTrader login details are as follows. Alright, so once you scroll down to the bottom, it's going to give you a few things. It's going to give you the server name. This is what you're going to type into MetaTrader 4, the account number, and the trader password. And it's also going to give you an investor password, but you won't need it. It's something that you should just read only. Once you're finished with that, open up MetaTrader 4, and at the top left, you should see 3 dots. Once you tap the 3 dots at the top, you'll see Manage Accounts. Once you click Manage Accounts, it will bring you to a screen like this. Once you get to this screen, all you have to do is press the plus button at the top right of the screen. Once you click it, it's going to give you 2 options. It's going to say open a demo account or log into an existing account. Now, some people get confused on this part. If you made a demo account on Hugosway, you don't have to press open a demo account. It is an existing account that already exists. The only account that you can actually create on MetaTrader for is a demo account. And you won't even have access to all the characters. I highly don't recommend doing this. But once you press log in to an existing account, it's going to bring you to a screen like this, and it's going to tell you to find the broker. Now, as you can see, one of them is already there, but most likely in your email, it's going to say Hugosway Real 3, or it'll say something else like this, and I'm going to pull it up. It'll say Hugosway Live. Now, if you made a demo, it should say Hugosway Demo 3, but what you want to do is choose the one that it actually tells you in the email. So mine said Real 3, and what this is going to do is you need to type in the login from the email, which is just simply your account number, and then the password, which should be the trader password. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to skip back to the screen. So once you're logged in, you'll see your account at the top. It'll show you exactly how much is in the wallet, and it'll show you your account number and the server that you're using and the leverage that you have as well. So now you should be able to place a trade anywhere using the trade icon right here. Now, if you want to delete the account, you can. Also, you could create multiple accounts. You don't just have to have one account. But if you want to delete an account, all you have to do is scroll down, look for the account, and scroll all the way to the right and press view. Once you press view, it'll show you your balance, equity, leverage, your MetaTrader 4 account number, and the server. It'll show you your trade history. And what you want to do is you want to look for the 3-bar icon, tap it, and what you'll press is delete account. You can also change the password for your account as well. So what I'm going to do is accept delete account. I'm going to press delete account because I do not want this. I just made it for an example. And now, as you can see, the account has been successfully deleted. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and info on investing, trading, and business. Also, I have a free group that you can actually join, link in the description. It will send you directly to the link. I also have a private mentorship group where we have students having success from actually investing, trading, and different other endeavors as well, as far as real estate, a lot of things going on. So if you're interested in that, links in the description for you. Also, if you want to reach out to me, I have an email that's going to pop up on the screen right here. You can reach me. This is the easiest way to reach me other than DM me on one of my social medias. This is I Am Christian, aka Sleep Money Profit, and I'm tapping out.